We'll guide you through how to use Krita for digital painting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once it's open, go ahead and start a new document by clicking on File in the top menu, then select New. You'll see a dialog box where you can set your canvas size and resolution, which is crucial for the quality of your artwork. Set your desired dimensions and click Create. Now, on the right, you'll see the Layers panel. This is where you can add, delete, or organize your layers, which are essential for non-destructive editing. To create a new layer, click on the New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Krita offers a variety of brushes, so head over to the left toolbar and click on the brush icon. You can choose from different brush presets or customize your own by clicking the brush settings icon. This customization allows you to adjust the size, opacity, and texture to suit your specific needs. Next, select a color by clicking the color selector on the top right. You can also use the advanced color selector for more precise color picking. Begin painting by clicking and dragging on the canvas. If you need to zoom in or out, use the scroll wheel on your mouse, or go to the View menu and select Zoom. To undo any mistakes, just press Ctrl+Z. As you work, remember to save your progress regularly. You can do this by clicking File and then Save, or simply pressing Ctrl+S. Krita also supports saving in various formats, so choose the one that works best for your needs. Don't forget to explore the different filters and effects under the Filter menu to add unique touches to your artwork. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.